All right, so here we are with the Tesla Model 3. In previous videos, we installed foot pedals. So now our dead man foot here, where we rest, like if we had a clutch or whatever, this is your resting foot. We're going to go ahead and put this cover here that will match. To do this, we'll have to remove the adhesive strip on the back, and then we'll go ahead and clean this up. So first we'll clean it up and then remove our strips, and we just got to line it right up in the grooves so they pop out. All right, so here we just have a little alcohol cleaning swab, or you can mix alcohol and water together. Just something to make it, you can see getting all the grime off of the, have a nice good fit. All right, now we'll go ahead and start removing all of our two-sided tape strips. All right, so now we're just going to carefully set this on, so lining up the grooves in the center. Just make sure everywhere is attached. All right. All right, so now we have our footrest matches our pedals.